What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Ramp Spotting. I've got a twofer for you, so sit tight and I'll be right back. So these are two pretty old derelict little things. We got a 172 up here up front, and then an old 150, looks like a 152 in the back there. We'll look at this 172 first. As you can see by the condition of the tires, this thing has not moved in quite a while. I mean, just look at that. What the heck? I mean, it almost looks like it was shifted or moved while flat. In fact, I bet that's what happened. It probably ran flat like that, and the wind shoved it aside or something. And that's why it looks like that. Prop has seen better days. Got some webs up here. Nice mold and patina growing on the paint here. Let's take a peek inside. That looks pretty good, all things considered. Got some growth going on up here. So the aircraft is mostly complete, aside from a couple of missing lights on the wingtips here. Okay. Moving on, we've got this Cessna 152. Looks like a newer model. Again, it's seen better days. The paint isn't as bad as the 172, but I still would not fly this anytime soon. Now look at those tires and how rusted that shock absorber is. Goodness. Oh, hey, it's open too. Huh, that's not too bad at all. There's a spider web growing on the yokes, and there's a spider right there. But otherwise, not terrible. All right. Well, that is pretty much it for this sad episode of Ramp Spotting. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.